हाल ही में एक्टर अली फैजल पहुंचे ट्रेलर लॉन्च हॉलीवुड फिल्म विक्टोरिया एंड अब्दुल 2 में, जहां उन्होंने अपने करियर को लेकर कई सारी बातें शेयर की। क्या कहा उन्होंने, आइए आपको दिखाते हैं।
That was my first fight, huh? Yeah. Oh, I think I put up quite a fight on so many fronts. But no, it was. I think I blame Russell Peters for that because he single-handedly ruined Indians across the board. Nahin, I think we are far better, and we have a far better accent than that, and that is not the Indian accent, and I think everybody understood, and I was very very adamant on certain words also that the Western culture does not understand, and these are words and names that you can't pronounce any other way. So it is a back and forth thing, yaar. If you have a point, people listen today. It's not some hierarchy, and it's the same in Bollywood. I mean, yeah, we're getting accustomed to international influence as well.
Ali, did you feel any? Did you face stereotypes while shooting for the film? Like you said that people, it's high time people, drop the myopic point of view. But did you feel those cliches coming or those stereotypes while you were shooting for the film?
No, actually, surprisingly not, because because this particular film you can't really talk about that because it happened in the 1800s, where there was a certain culture that we brought as Indians, we preserved, even though we were being ruled by the Brits, and this is post mutiny, that whole Victorian era. Spanning over 15 years in this story, but ऐसा कुछ वो cliched नहीं था, because Abdul Karim was an educated man, so the English he's talking is legit. The Urdu he's speaking is Urdu. It's not English Urdu. You know, the Urdu we're writing, the namaz, everything. I mean, these are small pointers which I kept in my mind, because I thought we've always seen versions that are more suitable to the Western cinema. Like the Red Indians for the longest time were shown as evil tribal people who used to just kill white people. you know, but the times have changed. That's not true. So, yeah. Does that answer your question?
Because
Say again. Ask
because
me.
my point was when you were shooting, when you were on the set.
You mean I faced some sort of?
Yeah, which Western culture or Western directors, filmmakers have towards Indian cinema or Indian actors. So those kind of stereotypes, do you feel?
No, not at all. I think no, and also because Stephen has personally worked with so many Indian actors, himself. I mean, My Beautiful Laundrette came from this man. He launched Daniel Day-Lewis. And then working with, Rohan Seth and Saeed Jaffrey, the works at that time. Shashi Kapoor himself. So he understands the Indian ethos, and I think he made sure that it didn't get influenced by anything Western in that. Taj Mahal was one thing that that's a bit of fun we had on set with that.
Sir, you made your debut from Bollywood and now you're working in Hollywood. So what is the difference in working in both the industries?
There's not much of a difference. At the end of the day, we do respect Hollywood, because Hollywood is an older cinema than us. We came a little later, and technologically they are way ahead right now. But at the end of the day, the stories are similar, the emotions are the same. We have great scripts coming up in our country. We are doing very well. Some great cinema is coming. I'm very proud of it, and I'm not gonna just bail out and say हाँ अभी Hollywood हो गया. But I'm enjoying this ride, because I think it's the one chance we as actors we are getting to share something and bring something to the global stage, to world cinema. I think that's really important. I think it's good, and it's amazing that I started my career with a small part in Three Idiots, and I started my career in Hollywood with a small part in Fast and Furious. So it's funny, but it's interesting.
Thank you.
अली एक छोटा सा सवाल यहाँ पर वैसे तो आपने आपका करियर बहुत छोटा है, भले हॉलीवुड हो या बॉलीवुड हो, लेकिन क्या एक फर्क आप पाते हैं जब इंडिया में काम करते हैं, इंडियन लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं, क्योंकि वो लोग बहुत प्रोफेशनल माने जाते हैं कंपैरेटिवली जब यहाँ पे काम होता है इंडस्ट्री में?
I think we are quite professional. I mean, yes, there are. See, you have to also take in budgets. Take in the productions that we go through. हमारे यहाँ इतनी फिल्में बनती हैं, एथनिक समटाइम्स बहुत छोटे छोटे बजट्स पे बनती हैं. तो क्या होता है ना, what we lose out on is then these small ethics की the professionalism is what we call on some fronts, or technology, or just sometimes the quality, unfortunately, and that's it. That's all. Otherwise, I think today a lot of productions I've worked with here personally. I mean, we just did Happy Bhag Jayegi, Fukre I've just finished. I think they're wonderful. One of the most professional people I've worked with, and I'm very proud. But of course, they've been following this for years and decades. So we have to give it a little, thoda benefit of the doubt dena padega that they've learned that routine, and we're getting into it. So I think it's a good time. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Started the interview, you said that you only spent to perhaps the lady who helped you back the role. Really no.
वो कौन थी? I shouldn't because that.
एक तो आपने नंदिनी का नाम लिया, दूसरी कौन है?
Nandini was casting in India. Maybe in good time. I don't think I'll literally have to take her permission for this. She's not an actor, if that's what you think, but you would know. Thank you. Any other questions? That's a good question. I was pressured to, and I did start reading it. And no offense to Shabani, I love Shabani and her style of writing, everything, but I think Lee had written a very interesting script, and he had a different take to it. And I didn't want to spoil it in my head because it was all about firsts. It was all about coming to England for the first time, and for me, and experiencing that for the first time. And the script was structured in such a way that it was just a personal choice. It's nothing profound or कि वो कुछ मैंने उसमें मंत्रा लगाया. Unfortunately, in fact, because of that decision, मुझे 8 से 10 और किताबें पढ़नी पड़ी. So I ended up reading much more. Sometimes I did wish I had just read the book and gotten away with it, but I had to read a lot on the history of that time because of that. Thank you.
वेल, देखा आप सभी ने कि अली फैजल ने हॉलीवुड फिल्मों को लेकर क्या कहा. उन्होंने कहा कि हॉलीवुड और बॉलीवुड में उनका करियर बनाना दोनों ही उनके लिए मायने रखता है. नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज़ रूम की रिपोर्ट.